What's up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We're gonna go over how to use the EMA Cloud, the way that I like to use the EMA Cloud, and we're gonna go over the settings in Trusted Signals. Be sure to check out our previous YouTube video where we break down exactly our settings and what the settings do, and we go over each and every parameter. All right, so let's go ahead and dive into this. So as you guys know, when you go into your settings to find your EMA Cloud, you're going to go ahead under EMA Cloud, show EMA Cloud. Boom. There you go. Now, these settings on the EMA Cloud, your length, I like to keep everything default. The default with Trusted Signals has been really well thought out, and it's extremely solid. Now, you can go ahead and mess with the length, which is going to change, giving you a thicker EMA Cloud or a thinner EMA Cloud on the length for your bearish and your bullish. So the 2 will be the bearish and the 1 will be your bullish. But like I said, I like to keep everything standard. All right, so these EMA Clouds, they work extremely well. As you can see, whenever there's red, it's clearly a bearish market, and it coincides with your red candles, showing you that there's going to be a bearish trend. So the way that I like to use this is very straightforward. Let's go ahead and pull out a short, or better yet, let's do a replay. Okay, so let's start over here. Okay, and I'm gonna slow this down quite a bit. Here we have the beginning of the EMA Cloud forming as a bearish trend. So not only do we have a confirmation right here of the sell signal, we also have the EMA starting to show us a bearish trend. So right away, I'm going to look for a good time to enter short during this trend movement. Boom. Now, what we're going to look for is retests of the EMA Cloud. Basically, the EMA Cloud is going to act as either support or resistance. So in this case, if we have the red EMA Cloud above price, it's going to act as resistance. Every single time price comes up to that cloud, there's your entry. That's simple. Check this out. It's already starting to retest that zone coming up. I'm going to go ahead and enter right there and take the exit right at this zone right here where the buy is. And I'll leave my position open, leaving my stop loss right above the previous price zone right there. I'm going to get ready and get my other sell position come. And when I see it retest that EMA Cloud, I'm going to enter again. Boom, that would have been an entry right there. I'm going to go ahead and put my other sell position and wait for that retest. You shouldn't force the trade and just wait for your confirmations. It's almost there. I'm just going to set it. Let's say it's a sell limit. I'll put it right here and wait for it. Boom. It just activated. Bring this one down. The reason why I'm bringing it down here is because we had a previous buy signal right here at this price zone. So that's why I'm putting my exit right there. Okay, let's go ahead and get another sell signal coming in. Look at that retest. Boom. Sell. This is beautiful. This is a very simple way of trading using EMA Clouds. Just enter on the retest. Every time the price comes up to retest the EMA Cloud, that is your time to enter. And putting your stop loss above a zone of previous price. So in this case, I have my stop loss above the EMA Cloud on the length. Now you could put the length a little bigger and make that as your point for your stop loss. It's entirely up to you. Again, like I said in the previous videos, just make sure that you go ahead and test these things and see what works for you. So that way you could find out what parts of Trusted Signals resonates with your style trading. This is a different type of strategy here based on EMA Clouds. And I'm like super loaded up right now. super loaded up on trades. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4 trades going on right now. I'm just going to leave it at this. I wouldn't go more than 4. Check it out. Here it comes. Let's go, Trusted Signals. And there it is. There it is. Boom! Just like that. And it continued tanking. So what I would do, and the style trader that I am, I always take partials. So I would still have an open trade right now because this take profit that just hit, that's my position, or that's my point where I would take partials and put my stop loss in profit and just let it ride. Let that thing ride, you know? And that's it. So this is an example on how to use EMA clouds. And the same thing goes for on a bullish trend. Boom! So there you have it. That's how I would use the EMA cloud. I definitely like to turn on the EMA cloud and use it as another tool in my arsenal when I'm trading. It's a very simple way and very effective way. I highly recommend everyone to try each one out, especially if you're a new trader. Try each one out, see what works for you, and figure out which one of these styles is best for your trading performance. Now, this is just the EMA Cloud strategy, and we'll have more videos coming for you soon. So please do like and subscribe. Stay up to date with the other videos coming through our channel so you can know how to use our tools to the maximum capability. All right, guys, stay cool and may the trades be with you. Team Trusted Signals, let's go!